If you have clicked on this video, I'm assuming based on the title or thumbnail, you have understood you are an anxious person or anxiety is not allowing you to study when you are preparing for any exam. Please accept this truth. If you don't learn to deal with your anxiety now, as the exam date will come closer, frequency of this anxiety will start increasing rather than decreasing in your body. I have overlooked it throughout my CA final preparation, and that was the reason I felt more stuck and paralyzed as my exam dates came close. In my video today now, I'll help you understand what are the few actions you can take that will help you get out of anxiety really soon. So now is the time to stop blaming yourself and try your best to align your mind, body and soul to clear the exam, to get that success you have been working since long. Now, you have to understand how you will know you are stuck in anxiety. Sign number 1, you feel tired all the time even though you are doing nothing. Sign number 2, you feel like crying but the tears just won't come. Sign number 3, your tongue feels weird. It can be dry and it can be like metallic feeling too. You suddenly crave for spicy foods or foods that has more of sugar ingredient in it. Whenever you are with your books now, you are constantly telling yourself, I won't be able to do it this time. I don't know I should give this attempt or not, or such type of negative questions which is again not allowing you to take action. See, with me now, it happened many a times. I knew I had to sit with my books. I have to give time to study. The moment I promised myself for the next 2 hours, with the Pomodoro technique, I'm going to sit and achieve my 2 hours target. I am full of motivation. I'm keeping a faith, trying to stay strong. But the moment I went to my table, I sat with my books. After 5-10 minutes, I started feeling heaviness and I simply overlooked it and I tried 5 minutes again to bring back my focus. But I could not keep myself strong and I got up from there. After that, I tried to escape that. I started feeling there is some emotional disruption inside me, but I did not know that time this is some kind of signal that our body is saying it needs to be dealt. Second, whenever you feel anxious now, there are high chances your breath will be incomplete. You won't feel a relaxed breathe in, breathe out. And third, it might be your heartbeat is faster than normal. But the common symptom, most common one is whenever you start feeling heaviness around your chest now, this is the first sign, and this is like in my body, I know my anxiety is trapped near my chest. Okay? Please understand, this is not an exam stress or pressure. Anxiety is something different. It is your body crying for help. Your body needs a alignment of energy, a right nutrition. Your body is asking you to deal with anxiety immediately. You know what I have understood now? People who are appearing for first time or more confident, they have exam stress but less of anxiety. But those who are studying with fear now, उन लोगों को anxiety सबसे ज़्यादा hit करता है. Fear attempts, anxiety are connected. And first attempt, second attempt or studying with a relaxed mind but the pressure of syllabus is entirely different. So you need to question yourself, is the anxiety on a regular basis stopping you or it is something else because of which you are procrastinating? Let me give you few simple remedies which is definitely going to help you get out of anxiety. I will give you 5 minutes anxiety reset. Right now, wherever you are sitting, just close your eyes for half a minute and try to observe your breath. Are you taking full, complete, natural breath? Or your breath is reaching only till the chest area? It's not flowing down to your stomach area. I hope you found your answer. Now, out of 0 to 10, you have to rank your anxiety level. 10 being the maximum anxiety, 0 being no anxiety. For me right now, if I know it's in 4, I hope you got your ranking scaling for the anxiety. Now you have already known what is the bandwidth of your anxiety which you are currently dealing with. So the rate of your anxiety might be 9, 5, 6, that's okay. We will come back to the scaling part again. Now what you have to do, step number 3, which is really important. Now we will first try to deal with our anxiety using our breath. Breath is a resource which is available to we human beings now. How magical and powerful it is, we don't even realize. But right now I'm not going to go on detail about this. You have to just follow my instruction for next 1 minute. You have to do this exercise. First, we will try to deal with our anxiety with our breath itself. It might give you relief, it might not also, but all I need is 1 minute from you. What you have to do, you have to breathe in with the inhale of 2 and exhale out with the inhale of 6. You can do it after me. Breathe in, 1, 2, breathe out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in through your nose, 1, 2, breathe out through your mouth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in through your nose, 1, 2, breathe out through your mouth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you are breathing out, try to breathe out the anxiety which is blocked near your chest area. Breathe in again through your nose, 1, 2, breathe out through your mouth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in calm, relaxing air, 1, 2, breathe out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can gently open your eyes. Now, just close your eyes and again measure the rating. Out of 0 to 10, what is the score now? Is it same or you can see slight difference or a major difference? Okay. Now, if you still feel the breath work did not give you entire relief from the anxiety, now we will move to step 4, which is again, till now all the exercise was nearly for 1.5 minutes, right? Now, a simple half a minute exercise. You have to pick up the glass of water. Water is the element our body needs, and it's the element which heals our body in the fastest way possible. It's not just to ease our thirst. Water is to heal us. You have to start blessing your water. You have to fill a glass of water. Now you have to hold it and you have to look inside the water. You have to call Divine, please bless my water. Please bless with the energy of calmness, energy of relaxation. My water is being blessed. Now you have to see a moonlight. All of you must have seen a moon, right? The moonlight is of bright, vibrant white color. You have to see the moonlight filling inside your water. You can just visualize there is the change of color of the water. It's changing to a white, vibrant moonlight which has healed the water. It has added the healing energy and now you can consume this water. When you are consuming it, feel the water going inside your body and it's relaxing your body. These simple techniques, trust me, it works. Rather than not taking action, start doing these simple life hacks, which I wish somebody had told me when I was struggling a lot in my preparation. Now last, it is if still you hold anxiety, you have to come to this last step. This is a ETF technique. I won't explain you in detail. It is about the tapping of your body and releasing that anxiety and stuck energy through your body. You have to do it after me. This is a tapping exercise. You have to tap the part of body which I'll be doing. You can do with me once and then you feel ki you are getting anxious again. You can come and repeat this cycle. How you have to start? You have to start tapping your eyebrow. Take 2 fingers near to your thumb and you have to just tap. This anxiety I feel in my body. Tap both sides of your eyebrow. This anxiety I feel in my body. Come to the side of your eye. It's making me feel unsafe and stuck. It's making me feel unsafe and stuck. Under your eye. I feel this pressure and I don't know what to do. I feel this pressure and I don't know what to do. Under your nose. I acknowledge this feeling of anxiety. I acknowledge this feeling of anxiety near your chin. I allow myself to feel it without judgment. I allow myself to feel the anxiety without judgment. You have to come to your collarbone, near your neck. It's okay to feel what I am feeling. It's okay to feel what I am feeling. It's okay to feel what I am feeling under your arm. But I choose to let go of the tension now. But I choose to let go of the tension now. Top the head. I am safe. I am protected. I am calm. I am safe. I am protected. I am calm. This one round might have already given you some relief. You can close your eyes and with the scale of 0 to 10, you can again measure your anxiety. Is it same the rating which you gave at the start or it has reduced? Now, if at all you did not get release, then come to the round 2. Again, we will be starting with the eyebrow. I choose to release this anxiety. I choose to release this anxiety. I choose to release this anxiety. Side of eye, I am stronger than my fears. I am stronger than my fears. Under your eye, I am grounded and calm. I am grounded and calm. Under your nose, peace begins within me. Peace begins within me. Near your chin, I am safe in this moment. I am safe in this moment. Collarbone, I trust that I can handle what comes. I trust that I can handle what comes. Under your arms, I breathe in peace and breathe out tension. I breathe in peace, breathe out tension. To your right arm, I breathe in peace and breathe out tension. Top of your head, I choose peace over anxiety. I choose peace over anxiety. Side of your this palm area, I am calm, I am safe, I am in control, I am free. Even though I was feeling overwhelmed, I am now safe, I am calm, I feel relaxed. You can use all the 4 fingers if you want, that's okay. Now release the anxiety. You might see a different sensation inside your body. You might feel lighter inside. Now you have to go sit back to your study. Drink a glass of water again. I will recommend you whenever you are drinking water, always keep the glass of water blessed and then consume it. There are high chances after 2 hours, 3 hours, again you start feeling heaviness. If at all it happens, either you jump back to the second activity. Out of the 5 activities, any one will give you immediate result. It will just take 2 to 3 minutes. You have to learn to deal it in the right time. Please don't procrastinate. Please don't just live with that anxiety. It makes you feel paralyzed. Your mind says, I have to work, but your body is not listening to you. So, in order to achieve the result, in order to get that successful word, you have to take care of these little things which is inside you. Please understand this. I simply ignored for years and years. 7 years really matters. कोई भी इंसान के लाइफ के लिए, like it's from standard 1 to jumping to standard 7. But I stayed in standard 1 itself for 7 long years. So why I did? Because I could not know there is disruption inside my body. Exam is secondary. Before only targeting on completing your syllabus, you have to keep awareness of your emotions. If you have any other issues with regards to your emotions or mental blockage, emotional block, spiritual, कोई भी blockages आपको feel कर रहा है, please drop down in the comments या फिर you can reach out to me. I'll make sure for your September 25 exam na I'm available for you to make your things easier. Attempts matter, every month matter. अभी तो एक hour matter करता है, ठीक है? And here you can't afford to allow your body to just sleep or feel heavy. So I wish you all the best. You are stronger than you know. More power within you. More energy of healings, love, light, blessings for you. Stay connected. Do subscribe to my channel. We will be walking in this journey together. Thank you.